No, it's not.
Are you? Stand by.
One of them flat-footed reloaders, I should have it done when I get over there.
Finish. Unload and show clip.
I knew I shouldn't have done that.
Chambers are clear. Cylinder closed.
Thank you.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Stand by. If the shooter is finished. Are you ready? Stand by. You're finished. Unload and show clear, please.
The beauty is both of us realize.
Look at that. They're identical. The last two paper targets. My shots.
Empty holes, cylinder closed, please.
Show me the
holster. Are you ready?
It's tempting, man.
Stand by.
I know if I show up, I'm probably going to This is sweet ass.
If the shooter is finished, unload and show me an empty cylinder.
Are you ready?
Stand by.
That was classy, Kerry. I loved it.
Nicely done.
A little slow, but
Clear, closed cylinder, and holster.
3196. Are you ready? Stand by. If the shooter is finished, unload and show clear. If clear, close cylinder. Reholster. Range is clear. Ezekiel is in the hole. We're sitting here with Carrie as she awaits the start of yet another classic run.
Range is hot. Eyes and ears. Kerry, if you have no questions, load make ready.
Notice the smoothness with which this reload is done. No wasted motion whatsoever. Carefully ensures that the cylinder is locked and she's ready to shoot.
Are you ready? Stand by.
So far, so good. Oh, yet another perfect target. Notice the swift reload. Or not so swift reload. And another perfect run.
If you're finished, unload, show clear. Clear, close cylinder, and holster.
And another
Race
perfect
clear.
run.
0,
Done.
0, 0.